Good afternoon. This is City Manager James Vega and Ojai Police Chief Jose Rivera, and we are together this afternoon to try to bring you an update regarding the coronavirus public health issue. There's a lot of information and misinformation going around about COVID-19, otherwise known as the coronavirus, and we wanted to provide good information to the public. Coronavirus is serious, but it's not a reason to panic, and we wanted to use this opportunity to provide some more information about the virus, but also about services that are provided locally.
At this time, the best thing for residents to do is to practice social distancing in order to flatten the curve. What does this mean? Social distancing is a practice encouraged to stop or slow down the spread of highly contagious disease by restricting when and where people gather to stop or slow the spread of infectious diseases. Social distancing measures include limiting large groups of people coming together, closing buildings, and canceling events. It is recommended that you stay 6 feet away from others in public. Flattening the curve is a public health strategy using social distancing in order to slow the spread of the virus. So there isn't a huge spike in the number of people getting sick all at once, and so public health services aren't overwhelmed by patients requiring critical care.
And Chief Rivera and I currently are practicing social distancing, which is why we are approximately 6 feet away. So when you go out into public, remember to try to stay 6 feet away from others to help prevent this. We're asking residents to be safe while continuing to support local businesses and each other. The city will be working with restaurants to encourage takeout and curbside pickup as much as possible. We'll be suspending some things like city sign ordinances and things that would typically not allow this to encourage it. So at this time, the city is encouraging the takeout and curbside pickup at restaurants and social distancing if you need to go shopping. Keep distance between you and others to help flatten the curve. For businesses, the Ojai Chamber of Commerce has prepared laminated signs that can be placed at each business, providing additional information. The laminated signs are available by contacting the following email address: info@ojaichamber.org. The City of Ojai and its partners are taking several actions to protect public health during the coronavirus crisis, including City Hall remains open, but we encourage all residents and businesses to use telephone and internet as much as possible. To facilitate this, we are accepting public inquiries, applications, et cetera, that typically would not be accepted by telephone and internet. We are accepting those by telephone and internet. So if you have any questions or needs, contact the city about those things via phone call or internet. Our phone number is 805-646-5581. The following facilities and events have also been closed or suspended. Special events at Libby Park and Libby Bowl are postponed. The Ojai Tennis Tournament has been postponed. Ojai's Earth Day event has been postponed, and the City of Ojai Recreation Center has been closed through the month of March. The county has also informed us that the library will be closed effective today, and the courts are closed for this month as well. Ojai Unified School District has also announced that they will be closed this week, and there's some information that we'll provide about meal service coming up.
Now, we recognize it is human nature to gather during times of crisis. However, this is a very different crisis requiring social distancing. Health clubs, bars, restaurants, places of worship, and other gathering places are being asked to implement social distancing practices in order to slow the rate of virus transmission by flattening the curve. If you own a business and need assistance with easing of parking and signage restrictions in order to create drop-off or pickup zones, please contact the Ojai Planning Department at area code 805-646-5581.
Thank you. Now, to help with vulnerable populations, the city has made all public restrooms open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've made sure that city staff and the sheriff's deputies will be frequently monitoring the bathrooms, and staff will be cleaning the bathrooms frequently to provide a safe and clean bathroom for the public. We'll also make sure to stock soap and other supplies, and we will have and we've ordered hand washing stations that will be placed at various locations throughout the city to encourage everyone to wash their hands more frequently.
We also want to take this opportunity to remind consumers and businesses that price gouging is prohibited. California law generally prohibits charging a price that exceeds by more than 10% the price of an item before a state or local declaration of emergency. The law applies to those who sell food, emergency services, emergency supplies, medical supplies, building materials, and gasoline. The law also applies to repair or reconstruction services, emergency cleanup services, transportation, freight and storage services, hotel accommodations, and rental housing. Exceptions to this prohibition exist if, for example, the price of labor, goods, or materials have increased for the business. Violators of price gouging statute are subject to criminal prosecution that can result in a 1-year imprisonment in county jail and or a fine of up to $10,000. Violators are also subject to civil enforcement actions, including civil penalties of up to $2,500 per violation, injunctive relief, and mandatory restitution. If you witness or are a victim of price gouging, please call Ventura County District Attorney's Office at 805-654-2500.
Thank you. And we wanted to share some information from local partners as well. If you're aware of other partners that you want to share information on, please feel free to send that information to the city by, again, calling 805-646-5581. We've had a lot of questions about whether donations are needed at this time, and we have been in contact with some local charities. They've noted that if you would like to donate, please donate non-perishable food donations and household goods like laundry soap, bath soap, and shampoo for delivery to homebound seniors. Donations are currently accepted at the Little House, which is located next door to City Hall at 111 West Santa Ana Street in Ojai. Southern California Edison and Southern California Gas have both announced that they will be suspending service disconnections for non-payment of service bills immediately for residential and or business customers impacted by this emergency. You can visit SCE.com or SoCalGas.com for more information. Ojai Unified School District has announced that they will provide meals to children beginning tomorrow, March 17th. Student care teams will be on every school campus from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. daily. You can stop by and pick up a brown bag lunch and breakfast for the following day, or check out sanitized computers or library books. All meals are free for all children, even if they do not attend Ojai Unified School District. The state of California has also announced financial support services for workers whose employment has been impacted by the virus. And for additional information, please visit the Employment Development Department for the state of California, their website, EDD. Also, we have just made available on our city website moments ago, the Economic Development Collaborative of Ventura County has provided materials for small businesses and employees of small businesses. That information is available on our website with links to the appropriate websites as well, and is available now. Importantly, we also have reached out to local supermarkets, and at this time, they have noted that there are no delays or supply chain interruptions. A lot of people have contacted the city asking if there were issues. There are none at this time. And again, to reiterate the message above, the most important thing at this time is social distancing to keep each other safe and healthy.
Now, in order to avoid misinformation, please refer to official sites for accurate information. Sites such as the City of Ojai at www.ojai.org, ojaicity.org. For Ventura County, it's www.vcemergency.com. California Department of Public Health, and also the United States Center for Disease Control.
Thank you. Lastly, to receive the latest notices from the City of Ojai, please sign up for our email list. A link is being created on the homepage of our website to sign up for email updates related to COVID-19. The city has been sending out emails to anybody on any of the city mailing lists and will continue to do that. But if you haven't been getting those, sign up for those emails today. All of this information included in this video will be sent to those email addresses as well. Lastly, if you have any additional questions or information or want to provide any other information for distribution, please contact the city at 805-646-5581. Thank you.
Thank you.